Hi, morning everyone. So today we, Team Oldsport, came here for off-roading event. We regularly come for our off-roading events or off-roading rides near Jodhpur, and we search for new places for doing off-roading. So today we came near Jodhpur. This is Vej Devalia, and so today when we came with our cars, so we have one Thar CRD, one Endeavour, and a Major. So unfortunately our Thar got stuck today. So this CRD got pretty well stuck, and generally we come across such situations in our each and every off-roading ride. So to deal with such situations or problems, or to get out of it, we search for different methods of coming out and doing other stuffs. But actually we came across one other group who is doing good off-roading events and rides. Its name is DRC, and it's t-shirts, it's their t-shirt. And so we have a rescue kit from them. I'll show you the rescue kit. So this is a good rescue kit. It can be used during off-roading and also on-road problems. It is a very useful kit. This kit should be with everyone. If you are a driving freak, in this kit we generally have a jump rope if you have battery issues, an umbrella, a first aid kit, a mug if you are a coffee freak, a tire connector, and this is a seat belt curtain with a window breaker. So this is helpful in tedious situations when you are stuck pretty well. Then we have a ply and a 12-foot tow rope with D-locks. So today we'll be using it and hope you enjoy it. नॉर्मल में सैंड बोर्ड डाल दो. रेडी 1 2